Bluesound is celebrating their 10-year anniversary with a limited edition version of the Node called the Node X. Let's take a look at this new piece of gear. It was over 10 years ago when our group from Audio Advice, along with a few other dealers, witnessed the unveiling of the Bluesound product line from our friends at Lenbrook. At that time, music streaming was just coming onto the scene, especially for whole house music systems. Sonos, with their great interface and very affordable prices, dominated the market. Companies like Name had far better sounding gear, but with a price tag to match that level. Lenbrook, the parent company of NAD, who has always been known for great value gear, saw a place for products that had much better performance, but with a price tag similar to Sonos. Now this led to the launch of Bluesound, and it turned out they had hit the nail on the head. The first Bluesound products were just like their sister company NAD, offering far better audio performance than you would expect for the money. The most popular Bluesound piece by far has been the Node. For those of you watching who are not familiar with the Node, I'll go over all of the things that have made it such great value, then get into the parts that were improved for the new Node X. The Node is like a Swiss Army knife of music streamers. Its flexibility allows it to be used in many different kinds of applications, which, along with its wonderful sound, is why it has been so successful. I'm going to assume that you know what music streaming is, and the Node X works perfectly natively with almost all of the major streaming services, including Spotify, Tidal, Qobuz, Deezer, Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, TuneIn, Neil Young Archives, and more. And it has the ability to play MQA high-res audio files Tidal is famous for. It also has AirPlay 2 and two-way Bluetooth aptX HD, which lets you and your friends stream from a smartphone or tablet. Finally, the Node X can access music files that you have stored on your own network. All of this is easily accessed and controlled from the wonderful BlueOS app for Android or Apple. I have to say, Bluesound has really nailed this app as it's both beautiful and super easy to use. And I also love the way it lets you tailor the sound as you like with tone controls and different modes that you can easily access right from the app. The Node X will give you a set of analog audio outs you can configure to work two different ways. Now, if you're adding a Node X to an existing audio system that has components like a receiver or an integrated amp, you would set these outputs to be fixed level and control its volume using the component it was connected to. But the Node is so flexible, many people use it with the variable output as their main control center. You see, the Node not only has streaming built in, but it has multiple ways to get other audio sources into it. There's a 3.5mm audio connector that would accept an adapter from a turntable with a built-in phono preamp or a feed from a phono preamp. The Node also has an HDMI eARC connector. This can accept the audio feed from a TV and let the TV remote control the Node's volume. Finally, it has a USB input for those local music files. Another one of my favorite tech features on the Node is the subwoofer out. If you're using it as a streamer slash preamp or with a pair of powered speakers, this gives you a lot of flexibilities. You can just tell the app you have a powered sub engaged and let you set the crossover point anywhere from 400 to 200 hertz. I don't know of any other piece of gear like the Node that lets you do this, which makes blending in a sub with your system just so much better. You would then connect the Node's variable audio out to a power amplifier or pair of powered speakers. This makes the Node great for a small yet high-performing 2-channel music system. But the real magic comes in with how Bluesound implemented high-res audio for multiple rooms. You can actually connect up to 64 Bluesound pieces in a system and have them all play back bit-perfect 24-bit high-res audio in perfect sync. The BlueOS platform is one of the only ones in the world that support this many simultaneous streams. And you can either group rooms together or send different feeds to every single zone. I feel this makes the Bluesound system, with the Node at its heart, the best choice for high-performance whole house music systems. And there's even one more way to use the Node in an audio system. Many of you bought high-performance DACs to improve the sound of your CD player back in the day. But those DACs have no way to access music streaming. The Node has an incredibly fast internal processor with a state-of-the-art quad-core 1.8 GHz ARM Cortex A53 processor, which gives it a leg up in bringing streaming audio into your home. It then has coax, optical, and USB digital outputs that would let you connect it up to that DAC you love and bring your system into the wonderful world of music streaming. Now, if you are new to streaming or adding a component like this to your system, you can rest assured our passionate audio experts have you covered. When you purchase the NODE X or any other product from Audio Advice, we are here to walk you through the entire setup process and answer any questions that you may have and give you tips on how to get the most out of your system. We just live and breathe everything home theater and home audio and love helping our customers get the absolute best sound. No matter how you set up a Node in your system, it also has one more feature that I really love. I don't always want to go find my phone and open up an app just to get music playing. Well, in 2021, Bluesound upgraded the top of the Node to a touch-sensitive glass panel. It has a proximity sensor that keeps it dark until you get close by. You'll have the slider for volume with skip, back, and play pause, but the great part about this is the presets. There are 5 buttons that you can program in their app to be a playlist or a radio station. This means you can quickly get your favorite music going without having to hunt down your phone. And in our testing, I found myself constantly using this feature. So what's new with the 10th anniversary NODE X? Well, it's mostly about even better sound, as I would expect no less from the Bluesound team. The NODE 130 got an upgrade in 2021 to a Burr Brown 5242 fully balanced DAC that is 32-bit 384K compatible. In their quest for even better audio, they have upgraded the DAC to an audiophile ESS 9028Q2M Sabre DAC. This new DAC has much less jitter, is quieter with lower distortion, and has a wider dynamic range. And of course, being the geeks that we are, we had to look up the raw parts cost to compare. Turns out the new DAC in large quantities costs about 2.5 times that of the Burr Brown that it replaced. If you look at the specs alone, the ESS is 5 dB quieter with almost 7 times less distortion. Of course, the proof is in the listening, which I will get to shortly. Another upgrade I like to see is the headphone section. The NODE 130 did a good job with their headphone amp with a typical 3.5mm connector. Now the NODE X gets a full-size 6.5mm headphone jack, so you don't have to use an adapter with your high-end headphones, and it has a THX achromatic audio amplifier. Now that is a mouthful, and we had not heard much about this tech, so we decided to take a look. You're probably like us and thought of THX as a standards company, as they led the charge in the early days of home theater of how to design speakers and gear for the very best sound. And they're still an industry leader to this day. But they have normally set standards for gear manufacturers. This is an actual piece of hardware that they sell that was developed for a better headphone listening experience. It's starting to show up in other headphone amps because it has incredibly low noise and distortion, which translates into a fatigue-free listening experience. Now, if you're a fan of good headphones, you know that you can hear anything wrong with a headphone amp far easier on a good set of headphones than with physical speakers. So we were really interested to see how this new headphone amp performed. It was a little hard to compare since we were also listening to the improved DAC, but I'll talk about what we heard a little bit later. An added bonus with the NODE X is how it now comes with a small remote that mimics the buttons on top of the unit. The NODE X also gets a special silver finish to celebrate its 10th anniversary. Being the audio geeks that we are, we set up the current Node and this new model to compare them. We tested it with the exact same transparent cables on each unit. Using Roon, we started up the same track about 10 seconds apart so we could easily flip back and forth between the two. Well, that bombed out instantly as the new Node was much louder, even in fixed output, which is probably due to the balanced DAC. We then put them both in variable output and got the same levels on both. We used a variety of our favorite test tracks, and it's clear the new model is definitely superior. The biggest thing we heard were more subtle details in voices and instruments. If you're using your Node in a pretty revealing system, we feel it would be worth upgrading. However, if you used it for whole house background music or casual listening, you're good to stay put, although the proximity display and presets are actually pretty cool to have. I hope this overview has given you a good insight into the new Bluesound NODE X. At Audio Advice, we are definitely pleased with how they're celebrating their 10th anniversary by giving us a great new product. Now, we'll be in the YouTube comments, so let us know what you think of the new NODE X. And if you're interested in being one of the first to get one, visit our website where we offer free shipping, a price guarantee, and lifetime expert support. If you have more questions, reach out to us at audioadvice.com, and our experts would be happy to help you out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.